What if the newest Windows build was also the lightest? Sounds unlikely. Until you see this. A full 26H1 system that fits into just a 5 gigabytes. Fast, stable, and ready for real use. Hi, this is Neil from Apidus. Well, let's start. Setting up Tiny. 1126H1 is straightforward. Open the Tiny 11 creator from the official link in the pinned comment. Click Build. The process runs automatically. It downloads everything needed and prepares your installer in the background. You can leave it running while it completes. If you do not want to build locally, use the pre-built installer from the official site. Both methods are supported. Use a valid Windows 11 license. Only clean and legal installs are supported. Build time depends on your internet speed and system performance. When it finishes, the log will show Build finished successfully. Your installer is ready. Do not download Tiny 11 from unofficial sites. Those builds often contain malware or spyware. They can steal data, compromise accounts, or damage your system. Use only the official creator or verified installer. Now install using Zeno. Zeno lets you install Tiny 11 without using a USB. Open Zeno from the package. Select the installer you created. Choose the destination drive. Make sure the drive is empty. All data will be erased. Confirm and start the installation. It completes within a few minutes. Restart your PC. You should see a dual boot option for Tiny 11. If it does not appear, add it manually using Easy BCD or Visual BCD. That completes the setup. No USB required. If you prefer the USB method, use Rufus. Connect a USB drive with at least 8 gigabytes of space. Back up your files. The drive will be erased. Open Rufus. Select your Tiny 11 installer. Choose the USB device. Start the process. This usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. Once finished, restart your PC. Open the boot menu using F12, F8, or Escape. Select the USB drive. The setup starts automatically. You go straight to the drive selection screen. Choose carefully. The selected drive will be overwritten. Skip language setup for now. You can change it later. After installation, you land on a clean Tiny 11 desktop. If you want similar performance without reinstalling Windows, use Velotic. It converts your existing system into a Tiny 11 style setup in a few clicks. Your PC decides your mood the moment you sit down. You open it to get things done. It drags, it stalls, it resists you. Velotic ends that. This is not another cleaner. This is control. You launch it once, and your system stops working against you. Everything responds. Games run clean. Apps open instantly. The lag you tolerated is gone, not for a day, every day. Velotic adapts to you. It reads what you're doing and tunes your CPU and GPU in real time. No manual tweaks, no risk, just consistent speed. It removes junk before it builds up. It shuts down hidden processes that steal performance. It does it quietly, without breaking Windows. You unlock over 500 tested optimizations. One click removes bloat. No confusion, no trial and error. You install apps instantly. No setup friction. Power shifts when you need it. Performance when you push. Stability when it matters. You recover massive disk space through safe compression. Nothing gets deleted. Your files stay exactly where they belong. Your system finally has room to breathe. This is not a temporary boost. This is how professionals run machines they rely on every day. Built over 4 years. Trusted by thousands. Refined with every release. You install it once. You stop thinking about performance. Velotic. For people who refuse to tolerate slow. Now take it further by turning your Windows into Tiny 11 or 10 in just one click. Open Velotic. Go to debloat. Press play on Tiny 11 or Tiny 10. That is it. Your system transforms in one move. No file loss, no broken features, same setup, completely different performance. If you want the details, open the info section or use the guide in the description. You already know how your PC feels right now. This is what it should feel like instead. After setup, enable compression. Open the Configure app. Go to the compression section. Click Enable. This process takes some time and can reduce system size by up to 60%. If needed, you can disable it anytime. Once complete, the system sits at around 5 gigabytes. This build is designed to stay fast, clean, and stable. Now connect to the internet. Open Configure. Go to the Browsers section. Choose your preferred browser. I'm selecting Chrome. You can also choose Edge, Opera, Brave, or others. Installation takes a few seconds. Once connected, open the Community section inside Configure. Visit both channels. Apidus covers installation tutorials. HT covers benchmarks and system configurations. Join the Discord server. Get support, updates, and early previews. You will also find links to Velotic and Tiny11 directly inside the creator. Benchmarks for this build will be uploaded on the HT channel soon. Check the pinned comment for the link. If you experience crashes or memory issues, fix it quickly. Open Configure. Go to the Paging Files section. Enable it and restart your system. This resolves most stability problems. Paging is disabled by default to save space. Enabling it improves system stability. Now install your drivers. Drivers control graphics, audio, networking, and input devices. Open Configure. Click Install Drivers. Select what you need, or choose Install All. In most cases, drivers are necessary. They ensure proper performance for graphics, connectivity, and system features. If you game or edit videos, install the latest graphics drivers. Once done, your system runs properly. Fast, stable, fully functional. You will find the purchase link in the pinned comment. Tiny11 is built for users who want speed, control, and reliable daily performance. It stays clean, it stays responsive, and it performs consistently. Free builds exist on random sites. Most are unstable or unsafe. If you want a system that works properly every day, use the official build. Thanks for watching. This is Apidus, signing off.